If you're looking to upgrade your ride with smarter, safer, and more practical cycling gear, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're counting down 10 new bike gadgets on Amazon that are worth checking out right now. From advanced safety gear like the Mips helmet and powerful anti-theft devices like the Wsdcam 113 decibels bike alarm, to innovative accessories, compact multi-tools, and clever storage solutions, these gadgets are designed to improve your comfort, security, and overall riding experience. Whether you're a daily commuter, weekend cyclist, or mountain biking enthusiast, there's something here for every rider. Number 1. Riding in traffic? Visibility is everything, and Aura nails it. Its powerful front and rear lights shine 360 degrees. Over 500 lumens keep you seen, day and night. That's reason 1. Be visible before trouble even starts. Reason 2. Serious protection built for real-world crashes. Mips helps reduce rotational force during angled impacts. It's also e-bike certified for higher speed riding confidence. And it meets CPSC and EN 1078 safety standards. So you're not just wearing a helmet. You're wearing a smarter layer of defense. Reason 3. Aura watches your back when you ride alone. Built-in sensors detect hard crashes in an instant. If you don't respond, SOS alerts go out automatically. Your location is sent to your emergency contact. That kind of peace of mind changes every ride. Comfort matters too, and Aura gets that right. 14 vents keep airflow moving on warm commutes. The lightweight 440-gram build feels easy all day. And the FIDLOCK magnetic buckle is wonderfully simple. Click, secure, go no fuss, no wasted time. Want more control? Pair it with the Unit 1 remote. Handlebar turn signals and brake lights sync seamlessly. Everything works together through the Unit 1 system. You can even customize lights and battery status. Manage crash alert settings right inside the app. AURA also brings award-winning design to the streets. It earned a 5-star Virginia Tech rating, plus Red Dot and IF Design Awards 2025. So if you want visibility, safety, and comfort, choose Aura. Upgrade your ride today and feel the difference. Number 2. Worried about bike theft? Upgrade your protection instantly. This Wsdcam alarm delivers powerful security in seconds. Perfect for bikes, e-bikes, motorcycles, scooters, and more. Use it at home, outdoors, or on the road. A compact wireless design makes installation fast and easy. No complicated wiring, no stress, no wasted time. Mount it securely with tape or cable ties. Then activate protection with one simple remote press. When vibration is detected, the alarm responds immediately. Its motion sensor catches suspicious movement before trouble grows. Adjust sensitivity across 7 levels for your exact needs. Set low sensitivity for calm areas, higher for risk zones. Choose from 3 volume levels to match the environment. Need attention? The 113 decibels alarm makes theft hard to ignore. Loud enough to scare off intruders fast, yet flexible enough for everyday parking and storage. IP55 waterproof protection handles rain and outdoor conditions well, so your security stays reliable through changing weather. Remote control works from up to 66 feet away. Arm, disarm, and manage everything with confidence. Need to find your vehicle quickly in a crowded lot? Use the vehicle search function and sound a locating alert. 3 bell options make it easier to identify your ride. Built with mature sensor technology for stable performance. Battery-saving engineering helps extend daily use. Reliable, efficient, and designed for long-term protection. It feels like a smarter upgrade for everyday travel. Better safety means more peace of mind wherever you go. Protect what matters with one practical security solution. Choose Wsdcam and ride with confidence today. Number 3. The sky darkens halfway up the mountain trail. Wind rises, and the first cold drops begin. Hikers glance at each other, searching for quick shelter. One backpack opens, revealing a compact black pouch. In seconds, the poncho unfolds like a secret shield. Lightweight polyester feels tough, yet effortless to carry. Every seam is sealed, keeping the storm outside. Reinforced corners and grommets promise dependable outdoor strength. The hood's brim helps vision stay clear in rain. Buttons along the sides hold firm against strong gusts. It slips on easily, covering body and backpack together. Suddenly, the trail feels less harsh, more manageable. Rain pounds harder, but dryness stays perfectly inside. One traveler spreads it flat beside the campsite. The poncho transforms into a sturdy ground tarp. With a few loops, it becomes an emergency shelter. Gear stays protected beneath its wide, waterproof coverage. No heavy rain suit, no bulky extra equipment, just one smart layer for changing weather. At 10.5 ounces, it disappears into storage. After use, clean water rinses away mud quickly. The fabric dries fast, ready for the next journey. From hiking trails to picnics, it fits anywhere. Camping, fishing, game watching, or sudden roadside storms. One size fits most, making sharing simple. Unisex design delivers reliable comfort for every adventure. When weather turns, this poncho turns uncertainty into control. A single piece, 3 functions, endless outdoor confidence. PTEROMY stands behind its quality with trusted support. Pack it, carry it, and be ready today. Number 4. Ever had a bike lock that felt emotionally fragile? Like one suspicious look and it starts sweating? My old lock was basically bicycle decoration with trust issues. Thieves saw it and probably laughed in HD. So, I upgraded to something built different. Meet the Seatylock Mason U-Lock. Yes, the diamond-rated heavyweight's tiny overachieving cousin. Lightest sold secure diamond U-Lock for its size. Translation: absurd security without carrying a medieval weapon. No code, no chain, no nonsense. Just solid protection for city rides and commutes. Bolt cutters? Nope. Drills? Pick tools? Saws? Also, nope. This lock says, try harder, criminal. Patented anti-theft technology brings serious main character energy. Double thickness protective plates? Absolutely. Triangular crossbars? Even more protection. Because drama. It's been strongly tested against real thief nonsense. Waterproof, weatherproof, and rust-resistant too. So rain doesn't get a vote here. The dust cover keeps dirt from freeloading inside. And the automatic keyhole shutter is ridiculously satisfying. Like a tiny security ninja guarding your bike. Compact enough for daily carry, tough enough for paranoia. Perfect for e-bikes, road bikes, scooters, even motorcycles. Basically, if it rolls, this lock wants in. Need easy transport? There's a mounting bracket. Well, sold separately because premium locks love boundaries. Still, the protection-to-weight ratio is insanely good. In short, less carrying, more winning. Your bike stays put. Thieves stay disappointed. Seatylock Mason, the lock that takes security personally. Number 5. Mid-ride, my bottle cage bolt rattled loose again. I stopped on the roadside, totally stuck and frustrated. No multi-tool, no leverage, and no easy fix. Every tiny adjustment suddenly felt impossible under pressure. I searched cycling gear videos for a smarter solution. Then this Granite Stash RT kept popping up everywhere. Hidden inside the steerer tube, that instantly grabbed me. A tool always on the bike sounds genius. I clicked deeper and found the Ratchet design. That two-way ratchet promised faster fixes in tight spaces. 9 bits packed into just 159 grams. 2 millimeters to T25. Basically covered all my ride needs. The extended PH1 bit also boosts leverage perfectly. That means stubborn bolts finally become manageable fast. No more digging through bags during urgent repairs. No more borrowing tools from strangers at the trailhead. I could stash everything neatly inside the fork steerer. Compact, lightweight, and always ready when disaster hits. This is exactly what modern riders have been missing. Especially on long rides, every second matters. Now I can tighten, adjust, and keep moving. Quick roadside fixes feel way less stressful now. The hidden design keeps my setup clean too. And it fits so many modern forks. That compatibility makes it even more tempting. If your bike tools still live in a backpack, why? Why gamble on being unprepared when this exists? Grab the Granite Stash RT before your next ride. Be the rider who fixes problems instantly. Don't wait until a loose bolt ruins your day. Number 6. Bike storage always takes too much floor space. Leaning bikes against walls feels messy and unstable. Lifting heavy bikes into racks can be frustrating. E-bikes make storage even harder at home. That clutter turns garages and apartments into obstacles. CycleStandPro solves all of that quietly. Its vertical design saves space immediately. The small footprint keeps your area open and organized. No wall mounting is needed. You simply roll the bike into place. No full lift, no awkward struggling. Just raise the front tire and guide it in. Rubber-coated hooks hold the tire securely. The adjustable arm fits bikes upright with confidence. It works with tires up to 3.5 inches wide. It also fits 24-inch wheels and larger. So road bikes, mountain bikes, and e-bikes all work. The steel frame brings serious stability. A welded base adds strength where it matters. Non-slip rubber feet keep everything steady. They also protect your floors from scuffs. The PVC-coated hook helps protect your rims too. Zero plastic parts means a more durable build. It supports bikes up to 65 pounds. Setup stays simple and tool-free. That means less hassle, more convenience. Your bike stays tidy, upright, and easy to reach. Your garage feels cleaner and more functional. Your apartment feels more spacious and organized. Designed by cycling enthusiasts in Troy, Virginia, CycleStandPro makes bike storage calm, easy, and reliable. Number 7. Meet the MTB Hopper LITE, your pocket-size launchpad for fun. This ramp is built for mountain bikes and BMX riders. It's lightweight enough to carry like a backpack on missions. Spot hunting, urban cruising, this thing goes wherever the action is. Think of it as a portable trampoline, but for wheels. Designed for low to medium speed jumps, not rocket launches. That means more control, less drama, and cleaner takeoffs. The LITE geometry is short, sharp, and ready to pop. Height adjusts from 435mm to 515mm. So yes, it can grow with your confidence. It also offers 105mm of leg travel. Translation: more adjustment, better setup, fewer awkward compromises. Its truss construction seriously boosts stability like a steel spiderweb. That means strong support on grass, pavement, gravel, and more. Uneven terrain? The ramp stays calm and collected. The surface is smooth and even, just how riders like it. MTB, BMX, skateboards, scooters, rollerblades, bring your whole crew. One ramp, many sports, zero attitude problems. It's perfect for riders building skills without overcommitting. New to jumps? This ramp makes learning feel less scary. Already experienced? Use it for practice, lines, and progression. The portability changes everything for riders who love exploring. Carry it, set it up, send it, then move on. No giant setup, no heavy hassle, just pure ride freedom. It's the kind of gear that turns empty space into playgrounds. From parking lots to backyards, the possibilities get exciting fast. MTB Hopper LITE keeps things compact without cutting the fun. That balance of light, weight, and stability is the real win. If you want portable practice with serious performance, this delivers. MTB Hopper LITE. Small package, big air, maximum versatility. Number 8. Tired of rattling bottle cages on rough rides? Meet the FIDLOCK Twist Bottle 450 with bike base. First reason, magnetic mechanical lock keeps it rock solid. Magnets guided in, the latch secures it. So even on bumps, your bottle stays put. No wobble, no rattling, no mid-ride surprises. Second reason, one-handed twist access makes hydration effortless. Grab, twist, drink, and keep your other hand steady. That means safer riding on trails, roads, and commutes. Hydration becomes quick, natural, and totally distraction-free. Third reason, cage-free design saves space and looks clean. Perfect for small frames, full suspension bikes, and e-bikes. It fits where traditional cages often struggle. Your bike stays sleek, modern, and ready for action. The 450 milliliters bottle is soft, easy to squeeze. Its self-sealing membrane delivers strong flow with no leaks. Add the dirt cap, and the mouthpiece stays clean. Built for daily training, weekend rides, and big adventures. Dishwasher-safe cleaning makes post-ride maintenance incredibly easy. Durable materials help it handle regular use with confidence. Included bike base means you get a complete system. Installation is quick, using standard bottle cage screws. Lightweight, secure, and ready straight out of the box. This is smart hydration made for real cyclists. If you want control, convenience, and cleaner frame space, the FIDLOCK Twist delivers all three in one package. Upgrade your ride with a bottle system that works. Tap the link now and grab yours today. Ride harder, drink easier, and stay locked in. Choose FIDLOCK Twist and feel the difference every ride. Number 9. Tired of bulky tools cluttering your ride? Meet the Granite Stash RT, hidden inside your steerer. 9 essential bits, ready for everyday bike fixes. It weighs just 159 grams, citruously featherlight. First reason to buy, it saves space instantly. No saddlebag digging, no backpack mess, no forgotten tools. Everything stays neatly stored right in your bike. Second reason, the Ratchet makes repairs fast and easy. Two-way ratcheting works beautifully in tight, awkward spaces. Quick adjustments become simple, even on the roadside. The extended PH 1-bit gives extra leverage too. Stubborn bolts? You've got the reach to handle them. Third reason, it covers the most common bike hardware. 2mm to 8mm, plus T25, all included. That means more compatibility for modern bikes and components. Need a cockpit upgrade? It fits many tapered steerer forks, so your setup stays clean, practical, and ready. This is the tool riders actually use, the one that's there when surprises happen, the one that keeps your ride moving. Perfect for commuters, weekend riders, and serious cyclists. Also great for anyone who hates carrying extra gear. Small size, smart storage, big convenience. Reliable, quick, and built for real-world riding. You're getting a tool that works when needed and disappears when you're just enjoying the ride. If you value speed, simplicity, and readiness, this is it. Upgrade your bike with practical power hidden in plain sight. Check it out now before your next ride. Grab the Granite Stash RT and ride prepared. Number 10. Leaving your bike outside always feels a little risky, especially when you can't trust a thin cable lock, and carrying a heavy lock gets old fast. Then your seat becomes another thing to worry about. That's the daily frustration every cyclist knows. Meet Seatylock, the saddle bike lock that changes everything. It combines a comfortable seat with real anti-theft protection. One piece does 2 jobs without extra hassle. No bracket installation, no cables, no chains, just attach it, lock it, and ride. Its patented design is made for quick, everyday use. Open it long for fast, flexible locking. Retractable links help secure your bike with ease. Ultra-protective rivets add another layer of defense. Built for city bikes, e-bikes, and mountain bikes. Lightweight at only 1.4 kilograms, yet highly practical. When you park, the seat stays behind as protection. That alone makes riding away almost impossible for thieves. It's a smart theft deterrent before damage even starts. Bolt, cutters, drills, and saws meet serious resistance, and it's waterproof, weatherproof, and ready for daily use. No more carrying a seat and lock separately. No more searching for somewhere to store them. You get one clean solution for commuting and travel. Plus, the gel cushion adds real riding comfort, so your bike feels better while staying better protected. Before, extra gear, extra weight, extra worry. After, one saddle lock, less stress, more confidence. That's practical security that actually makes sense. Choose Seatylock and ride smarter every single day. Those were our picks for 10 new bike gadgets on Amazon that can make every ride safer, more convenient, and more enjoyable. Whether you're protecting your bike with the Seatylock Mason Bike U-Lock, staying prepared with the Granite Stash RT Ratchet Bike Multitool, or upgrading your hydration setup with the FIDLOCK Twist Bottle Magnetic Holder System, each of these products offers practical value for cyclists of all skill levels. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your fellow riders for more of the latest gear, gadgets, and cycling accessories.